Hello, welcome to the unboxing for the DJI Mic Mini. This is going to be a very simple unboxing, so essentially we're just going to go and open the box and see what's inside, and that's pretty much it. I ordered this microphone very recently for $59. It comes with one receiver and two lavalier mics. It does not come with a charging case, but I think it does come with a charging cable. We'll soon find out once we open the box. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's open the box. So this is all that comes inside the box. We have the quick start guide from DJI that basically just outlines what this is all about. If my camera can focus here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We can put this aside, and this is what I'm guessing the entire package. The package itself is a pretty handy case, which allows you to keep everything bundled up while you're traveling. I might use this as I'm going to take a trip very soon. Looking inside, we do get a USB-C cable that can be used for charging. I'm sure you all have a bunch of them lying around. We have some sort of a USB-C adapter here, most likely to charge the lavalier mics. We have the cable that essentially connects to your cameras. So here we have everything that actually matters. We have the different lavalier mics, as you can see right here. And the two actual mics. So this is the thing that goes on top of your camera that actually provides the connection to the lavalier mics, as well as allows you to take input from those lavalier mics directly into your camera so you can record with it. Along with the packaging, we also get two charging docks that can be used to charge the lavalier mics themselves. So this is what you're going to use to actually place the mics on top and charge them. Now, looking at the cables themselves, we do get a auxiliary cable that is able to connect directly to your camera, and you get a USB-A to two USB-C split end cable so that you can connect both of your lavalier mics for charging. And if you want to connect your mic to a USB-C enabled device such as your iPhone or any sort of mobile device, then they also give you a USB-C receiver through which you can directly connect the receiving end so that you can get output from your mic itself. Well, that's all that comes in the box for now. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below.